Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix internet connection failed on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, what you need to do guys is click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find accessibility, and under it, you're gonna find network. Go ahead and click on network. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find connection status and also settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And then just disable this option, connect to the internet, and then enable this again. Then go ahead and click on setup internet connection. Choose your internet connection and then click on it. Then just go ahead and enter your code. Then just go back. And then once you do that, go to connection status. Right here, you're gonna find test internet connection. Go ahead and click on it. And then just wait for the test to finish. This test will give you all the results for your internet connection. As you can see guys, it will give you the IP address status, internet connection status, also PSN status, the NAT type, and also your download and upload speed. Once you finish the test, just go back and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and see you guys in the next video.